Shri Bhagwati presents Round Bottle Labeling Machine. A round bottle labeling machine is a sophisticated piece of packaging equipment engineered to automate the application of labels onto cylindrical or round containers. It is adaptable to a range of label sizes, materials, and adhesive types, making it suitable for various industries. These machines ensure precise alignment and placement of labels on containers and can operate at high speeds, making them suitable for mass production and high-volume packaging lines. They are designed to handle label rolls and materials efficiently, reducing downtime for label changes. Operators can often adjust the label position, label wrap, and other parameters to meet specific labeling requirements. These machines can be seamlessly integrated into existing packaging lines for a continuous, automated labeling process, contributing to consistent labeling quality, minimizing errors, and ensuring a professional and uniform appearance for products. Round bottle labeling machines find applications in a wide range of industries, including pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, cosmetics, and chemical manufacturing. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.